Hey people, so this is a golden retriever puppy, and apparently it's for 30K, and this is we are planning to get a dog, but this is seems like Ayush, it's a friendly little animal, no? Among pets, golden retrievers are said to be really good. This is the only puppy here, and we could. Arey, it's licking us, and will we get any discount on it, Andy? No discount. Arey. It's the only puppy here. This is so cute, yeah. And this Chinna rabbit is how much, Andy? This one, the Chinnadi. How much, Andy?
750.
750. Okay. But why it's sitting alone, Andy?
Single legged.
Oh, single. If we put it along with the others, the biting. But 750 is too much, Andy. అక్కడ సికింద్రాబాద్లో 70.
అవి వేరే ఉంటాయండి కాస్ట్.